Is this why is Amazon doing this?
Well, of course, we can only speculate, but my sense is very much that this is a test, really, to look under the hood a little bit of Deliveroo, see how that business works. And I personally think it would make a lot of sense for them to team up to form some sort of alliance. Because one of the issues that food delivery companies in particular have is utilization, ensuring their drivers, their deliverers are always delivering a meal or even 2 meals. Now, if they don't do that, they risk losing their deliverers to a rival service, which might offer more lucrative terms. Now, if you can team up Amazon Prime Now, which promises deliveries within 2 hours for products sold on its website, with that Deliveroo business, then all of a sudden you've got a very compelling product offering which might solve some of the profitability issues that you have in the food delivery business.
How will it respond in terms of competition with Uber Eats, for example, and with all of the others out there? There's so many of them now, Alex.
Yes, and now look, this 575 million is in fact a shot into the veins of this price war which has been going on in London. It was looking increasingly as though Deliveroo was perhaps losing a bit of momentum. It's a huge drain on capital, offering, very favourable terms to customers and, of course, increasingly to restaurants to ensure that they remain within your ecosystem. We've seen today, therefore, a bunch of food delivery stocks, companies like Just Eat, like Takeaway.com, like Delivery Hero. Their stocks have taken a bit of a pounding today because it suggests there's going to be no abatement to that price war. It's not going to go from 3 competitors to 2 in a market such as London. Deliveroo has a huge amount of cash now to play with.
We'll put some of those share prices up in just a moment. Alex, just in terms of the logistics around all of this, how could you... Is it possible to use delivery riders and drivers more efficiently? There are those boards. Could on one hand you be delivering a meal and the next moment be delivering a parcel? Like, is that ultimately where Amazon is going with this?
I think that is the dream, yes, absolutely. And one level on which Deliveroo differs from Uber Eats is it's going at 100 miles an hour into what are known as dark kitchens. These are kitchens which aren't attached to a physical restaurant. They're usually a shipping container in a car park somewhere dotted around London. And if you can have multiple kitchens on the same site and potentially use that as an Amazon fulfillment center, you could have someone leaving that site with 2 meals and an Amazon Prime delivery, and that becomes a very efficient use of your resources and keeps the numbers ticking over and driving towards that essential profitability for the food delivery business.